Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am filming my Boxycharm unboxing. I know this is kind of random. I actually was thinking of just phasing out this Boxycharm unboxing video because I feel like it's kind of like a generic sort of video, something that people kind of just put up on their channel, and I wasn't really sure if people were still into these kinds of unboxings. But I did get a lot of people asking me if I still get Boxycharm, if I'm subscribed to BoxyLux, and if I still was going to film these unboxings. To answer your question, yes, I will still film the unboxings. I still am subscribed to Boxycharm, and I do have BoxyLux, which next month in March we are supposed to be receiving the BoxyLux, so I will get into all the details about that in next month's video. But this month we just got a regular Boxycharm, and if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a $21 a month subscription service where you get 4 to 5, mostly 5 full-size products, and they're all kind of beauty. Well, they're not all kind of, they're all beauty related. This is by far one of the best beauty subscriptions that I've ever subscribed to. I used to subscribe to Ipsy and Birchbox, and I didn't really like Birchbox. I didn't get a lot of the things that I wanted to get in the subscription every month, even though I did take the quizzes and I did review the products. I feel like Ipsy is something that you subscribe to when you're just starting out in makeup, because you get a lot of sample size products, so you get to try out the products before you purchase them, like if you want to purchase the full size. But after about a year and a half of having Ipsy, I just ended up having a drawer full of sample size products. I started to know what I liked a lot more about makeup, so I really didn't need to get Ipsy anymore, so I unsubscribed to them and then started getting Boxycharm, and I have never gone back. So the Boxycharm boxes are like this. They send them out in different waves, so you either get them right at the beginning of the month, the middle of the month, or the end of the month. My boxes usually come towards the middle and the end of the month, and this they always have a theme with their box, and this month's theme is Afterglow, which right here is the little card. This is something I really like about Boxycharm as well, is that it comes with a card and it tells you the retail price of the product and also how to use the product if you don't know how to use anything that they've included in the box. So I'm just going to go ahead and go in the order of the card, and I did do a get ready with me, and you guys will see that after the unboxing. So the first thing in the box is this mascara. This is a cult favorite in the beauty community. It is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. They do have a waterproof version. I do have that one as well, the full size. And this isn't one of my favorite mascaras. It is really thickening and volumizing, and it does make your lashes really fluffy, but I have non-existent lashes. My top lashes are really small and my bottom lashes are really small, so this wand, if you can see here, it is huge. When I use this mascara, I get really messy. I end up getting mascara on my lid. I always get mascara on the bottom portion of my lashes, and it's just a huge mess. I think maybe if they had changed the wand on this, I would like the product a lot better, because I do like the formula of the actual mascara itself, but I can't jive with this wand. It's just too huge. But this says that it's a full size and it retails for $24. And it is a good mascara, but like I said, because I have shorter lashes, it is really messy. Now we have this bronzer from Pretty Vulgar, and it's in, my shade is in Bronzed B, and this is what it looks like. It's a really nice bronzer. I don't have a lot of higher end bronzers I really like that I bought from the drugstore, so I usually use those. But when I run out of this, I think I'm going to pick up another one, because I feel like the color is really nice. I do like more reddy tone bronzers. This is more of a neutral tone bronzer, especially when you look at it in the pan. It does look a little more cooler toned than an actual warmer bronzer, but it's very nicely pigmented. It's not too pigmented to the point where when you dip your brush in and you put it and you have like a stripe across your cheek. Even if I feel like even if you did that, you could still blend it out because it is a really soft powder. And like I said, I just kind of built it up all around the areas of my face that I wanted to bronze, and it blended out amazingly. This is a full-size product and the retail price is $32. Very nice bronzer. I really like it. They also included this primer, which is one of my favorite primers. This is the No Poreblem primer from Touch in Sol, and this is a full size and it retails for $18. You can get this at Sephora and Ulta, and I think Touch in Sol does have a website as well, so you can pick it up there. But I really love this primer, especially because I do have like combination skin as I'm getting older. I used to have really super oily skin, and now in the winter months I do have like dry patches, and I still have really huge pores and I still get oily in my T-zone. But like around my mouth, I do have these fine lines that I like to fill in. If I use a mattifying primer, it will emphasize the dry patches that I have. And this is really hydrating for a pore filling primer. It really does smooth out the skin and leave you with a flawless like canvas to put your foundation on. I don't have a problem with this primer breaking up my makeup throughout the day. I feel like some primers that are smoothing and hydrating can tend to do that, and I don't ever have any problems with this one. I've heard a lot of different reviews with this product that they included, which is the Coco Cabana cream, and it's from Sol de Janeiro, and it retails for $20. This little pot here, and it is a body lotion. It has a little cover here, and this is what the product looks like. It smells really nice. It has like a really rich coconut, like buttered coconut kind of smell. Now I've heard people say that this kind of like leaves your skin smelling like buttered popcorn, which I honestly don't really have a problem with. I love buttered popcorn, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I've actually never tried this. I do have the other one, the Bum Bum cream, and I really do love how moisturizing that one is. This one has a little bit of a thinner consistency. It feels more like a gel sort of moisturizer, but it is leaving my skin really nice and silky. And I do understand what people are saying when they say it does smell like buttered popcorn. It does, and honestly, it doesn't really bother me. It's not like an overwhelmingly, sickeningly like butter scent, so I feel like it will fade throughout the day. I'm not bothered by getting this in my Boxycharm. I know a lot of people were, so I'll just add this to my collection of moisturizers that I put in my bag for work. It's really nice, it's hydrating, and it does smell like buttered popcorn, but it doesn't really bother me. So the last product that I have in this Boxycharm is this one right here. It's a shadow stick from Nudestix, and it's the Magnetic Luminous Eye Color, and it's in the shade Copper Foil. This is what I have on my lids, and this retails for $24. When I saw Kathleen Lights use this on her eyes, I thought it looked like a really pretty deep copper shade, and I was really excited to get it in my box because most of the time I always get the boxes that she unboxes on her channel, so I knew I was going to get this. When I put it on my eyes after I blended out all my matte shades, it wasn't leaving me the shimmery metallic kind of feel I wanted, so that's why I layered the shimmer shade on top of it, and I feel like it gave a really nice base for this shimmer shadow on my lid. I love the look I created. I'm really sad actually because it is like 6 o'clock at night. I'm filming this and I'm going to just wipe all this makeup off after I'm done. So I'm really sad. I will have everything that I used on my face listed in the description bar if you guys are wondering. Total retail value of this box is $118, which is really good because you only pay $21 to get all of these products, and they are all full-size products. I feel like I have to reiterate that. This is a really good beauty subscription. I do have a link in the description bar for my Boxy affiliate. I do get points if you guys use my link to sign up, and I will also just leave Boxycharm's website in the description so that if you guys don't want to use my link, you guys can just sign up through that link. I said leak a lot. I'm really happy that you guys still want to see these unboxings. I love Boxycharm unboxings, and I'm really excited to show you guys what I get in Boxy Luxe next month. If you guys like these types of videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys get Boxycharm, and if you guys got the same products that I did, let me know what products are your favorite. And if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. And if you haven't subscribed and you guys like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you guys a part of my YouTube family. And if you guys want to see how I got ready using these products in this Boxycharm, then just keep on watching.